Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Hey, I'm Johnny. If it's your first time here, welcome. Today, right now, I've been hiking for the last, I don't know, a half hour or so, and I'm on the Cane Creek Trail. I'm at the very end of Cane Creek Trail where the park boundary is, but here's where the fun begins for me. I'm going to jump off trail and over Hurricane Mountain and jump back over onto Ace Gap. So anyway, tell me in the comments below, what is your least favorite trail here in the Smokies or anywhere for that matter? Let me know. Anyway, come along and let's see this off-trail hike, and let's see what we can get into today.
Rubber right. Hold on. Look, it's really fix my hair. You don't have to worry about that. We'll give you
Oh,
flash here. That's right. You wait and see what photo I get of you too. I gotta figure out how to turn your. Yeah, it says you don't need flash, so I don't know if it's actually taking. I know they already got loose back.
all right, after a mere detour and turnaround, finally on the off-trail part of Hurricane Mountain. Trail doesn't look too bad so far, so we'll see how it looks a little later in the day. It wouldn't be an off-trail hike if it weren't hard or uphill. All right, I'm up on top of the first little top of Hurricane Mountain. After another turnaround, top of that summit there a few moments ago, we were on a White Blaze Trail, which is not the Hurricane Branch Trail. So we came back down and followed it back up or back down and found the Boundary Trail, or the Hurricane Mountain Trail. All right, this is the start of Hurricane Mountain Trail from the private property back that way, but we are going this way, and there's a park boundary marker right there. So we are on Hurricane Mountain Trail.
Spin around to the left. Cut back to the right.
Still off trailing on Hurricane Mountain Trail. So let me Show you a little bit what the trail looks like. Well, as you can see, it's not much of a trail, and at this particular part of the trail, it's very slow going. Lots of bramble and rhodey, choked, and a lot of greenbriers in this area too. So, but we're getting through them. Got about another mile to go to get over to Beard Cane.
That's crazy looking. Just too symmetrical, right?
So we just came upon another boundary sign, some private property. But at that section, we took a right, and we're still on Hurricane Mountain Trail. We've got about a quarter mile to get on over to Beard Cane.
Yeah, so 3 is 16.
And that is our off-trail hike of Hurricane Mountain Trail. Now we're on a maintained trail of Beard Cane, and we'll see what condition this trail is in today. Looks like Beard Cane Trail has been cut back, which is very, very nice. Like many places in the Smokies, it's been dry, not much water. And we are in search of a spring to fill up some water. I think we've all been through about 2 liters today of water so far. And even right here on Beard Cane Trail, looking for water.
It's not like it's not work, but just kind of, yep.
Little Bottoms, Abrams Falls Trail back that way.
The main reason I had these long.
And this is Johnny's Ridge. All right, that was a nice little break. While Lane tended to himself, his feet, and rested for a little bit. We've got about 3.5 miles to go. Looks like it's gonna be around a 20-mile day, give or take. Hey guys, we're back on Goldmine Trail here in the Smoky Mountains. We've got 0.4 to the boundary, and I think another 0.4 to the road. Right now I'm sitting at about 17.2, so I have a little more than 17.5 miles today, and I'm feeling it. Whew. But it's a great loop. I'm glad we did this. It's beautiful. Got some pretty awesome photos. The off trail wasn't too bad. There's a section there of thick greenbrier and ruddy where it's real thick, but that's about it. So anyway, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and see y'all on that next adventure. Good night, y'all.